Welcome to part 2 of the 9E gas turbine introduction series. Here you can see the overall 9E gas turbine plant along with the three-dimensional view of the 9E gas turbine package. When the starting system turns the rotor, filtered ambient air is drawn through the inlet plenum and into the 17-stage axial flow compressor. During startup, the machine must be protected against compressor pulsation. The source describes the 11th stage extraction bleed valves as open during starting, while the variable inlet guide vanes are held in the closed position. As speed approaches the normal operating range, identified in the source at the 95% speed relay, the bleed valves close and the IGVs move toward their normal operating position. The inlet guide vanes therefore help establish the correct airflow into the first compressor stage during acceleration and operation. The compressor consists of the rotating compressor rotor inside the compressor casing. Air is compressed progressively through alternating rows of rotor and stator airfoils. Rotor blades add energy to the air. Stator blades then guide and diffuse the flow so that it reaches the next rotor at the correct angle. The compressor includes inlet guide vanes, 17 rotor and stator stages, and exit guide vanes. The source describes the rotor as an assembly of individual wheels, stub shafts, through bolts, and rotor blades. It also notes that stages 5 through 8 use specially coated rotor blades designed to resist corrosion associated with moisture formation in that region of the compressor. Compressor casing clearances are important. Minimizing blade tip clearance improves performance, so careful assembly and alignment are essential. Compressor air is not used only for combustion. Selected extraction flows also support turbine cooling, bearing sealing, and startup pulsation control. Do not forget to subscribe to get more updates from this training series. Please like and share, and I will see you in the next lesson.